Hi, this is Jebb Adams. So I've got the motor off this Singer 201K Mark 1. What I'm going to do now is I have a little bit of water and a shop towel. And there's a fair bit of dirt right here. And all I really want to do, it's not so much to wash the thing really great right now. It's actually just to get the dust. And then I'll be oiling it at the end of this project today anyway. And now I can get my oil, which is right over there. And no view of what's going on there. So I'm going to drench this in oil, and likewise this. There's a pair of gears. Watching vintage sewing machine blogs and stuff. So here we go. Get some grease on that one. And then a little dab will do you. Get you some more on here. Like, these gears are like really clean, and I'm gonna have to clean them and tidy them up after I put this grease on. And grease is slow releasing oil. And I'd love to hear comments. I'm not I don't know a lot. I know a lot of little things, but I don't know everything. So that's pretty good. I got some grease on there, and I liberally oiled those shafts and levers and turners and stuff. That's a slider. That's where there's the other side of that nut or whatever. It slides back and forth in there. And I don't know that I directly got it before, but I'll get it this time. I'll throw some up there. That's a hole for a screw. Okay, we've got grease on there. Throw some oil down there. Throw some more oil on here. And I'll probably do another one tonight, so if I get that one done, I'll post all three of them together. So if you end up watching the first one and this one, you'll be able to see at my YouTube channel whether there's 2 or 3 there. Anyway, ciao for now.